Hello, Ashwin Dignitaries. We are T. Sudarshan from GIT University, Gunpur. And the problem statement we chose is the development of sensor for the detection of microplastic. To address this problem, we built a product called as PRISM. So you might be wondering what is PRISM. PRISM stands for Plastic Recognition Using Integrated Scattered Monitoring. Our product consists of three major components. First one is the hardware component, which consists of the chemical compartment and the IoT compartment. And the second one we have the AI module, which is used for image analysis and processing. And the third component we have the website, which is used for data logging and data retrieval. So let's proceed with the sample testing. So here we have the sample, which we have prepared out of 1 liter of raw water. And now we will add a master tag, which is a mixture of rhodamine B and ethanol. Instead of rhodamine B and ethanol, we will also use nitrate dye, which is an alternative. You can see in the video, after mixing the dye in the water sample, we will then keep it in a dark place for incubation period. Now we will place the sample in the chemical compartment of the hardware component. Then we will illuminate it with green monochromatic light. The microplastic present in the water sample will glow, and this property of fluorescence will then captured by the camera module. After successful capturing, the camera module will send the images to the Raspberry Pi, which consists of AI module. The AI module will then do necessary processing and analysis and will provide the information in the form of concentration, the active or non-active of microplastic in the water sample, and the polymer type. The AI module then generate a sample ID, which will be intimated you through SMS or email. After you get the sample ID, you can visit the website and search for the sample ID in the AI assistant. Here you can see, after entering the sample ID, the AI assistant will then provide you the necessary details about the sample. And now, let us discuss about the website. In this website, the first thing you can see, the 3D design of our product. And if you scroll down, you can see the workflow, the uniqueness we provide, the research and references page, and our team, and many more. As you have observed of all the things we built till now, we shall have multiple updates for the finals. The first updation we have, we will be 3D printing the outer body for hardware. In the second updation, we will be using inbuilt die cartridges for the safety reasons. In the fourth updation, we will be making the AI much more robust by providing it more data. After this all, let's dive into the uniqueness and other features of PRISM. PRISM is very compact and can detect in real time. The first technology which can detect microplastic directly from water without any instant filtration process. It is an automated system for sample preparation. The PRISM leverages AI, cloud tech, multiple chemicals for efficiency and need. It is hands ready to deploy in market. The PRISM is powered by battery and can operated by solar energy also. The technology we are using is very reliable and research driven. This all makes the PRISM a very strong, both for B2B and B2C. It covers 5 SDGs which will drive India towards sustainability and development. It will create a groundbreaking change in the water monitoring industry and ensure clean and safe water for everyone around the globe. Thank you.